Hi, in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about the 6 past tenses that we have in the English language. I'm going to break these down for you, provide examples and explain when and how we use these past tenses. I'm going to start by showing you a flashcard with the 3 most common past tenses we use in English. The first one is past simple, probably the past tense you have learned most through school and are most familiar with. The past simple is used for finished, completed actions that happened at a specific point in the past. Most regular verbs will take ed on the end of the verb, but we do have irregular verbs in the past simple. Again, you're probably very familiar with these irregular verbs, but it's important that you learn all the irregular verbs as they are very common. For example, go in the past simple is went. Unfortunately, there's no rules for the irregular verbs, we just have to learn them. We always use a time phrase in the past simple. Yesterday, last week, last year. It's important because we use past simple at a specific point in time, so we need to specify this point in time. I'll now show you an example. We've got an irregular and regular verb in the past simple. I started a new job this week and I ate pizza for dinner yesterday. Regular verbs take ed, like started, and irregular verbs we just have to learn. Eat, ate, and always with a time phrase. This week, yesterday. Our second most common past tense is the past continuous. We use the past continuous for interruptions in the past, if you are doing an action and it's interrupted, or for repeated actions in the past, habits, hobbies, repeated events. The past continuous takes was, were, with the verb ing. We have was, I was, he, she, it was, we were, they were, you were. Then your verb, then ing. We use the past continuous for an interruption. I'll give you an example. So I was shopping when I realised I left my wallet at home. This is an interruption. My shopping stopped because I did not have my money. We have the past continuous I was, our verb shop, and with ing on the end. And the interruption is marked by the use of when. Our second use, as I said, for repeated actions. For example, I was sunbathing every day on holiday this summer. I was sunbathing, ing, every day, a repeated action, and then I've got the time phrase this summer. Okay, next is present perfect. We use this tense to link the past to the present. We take have, had, I have, he, she, it had, we have, they have, you have, and then your past participle. So an example, we have had a very successful year at work. I think it will continue. So it's showing that through a duration of time we were successful and it will continue. So it's linking that past to the present. Next, 3 tenses, less common but equally important. We've got present perfect continuous to start. The emphasis is on the duration in the past, something that continued in the past. This conjugation is have for all pronouns plus the word been, our verb, and then ing. So the continuous form of the present perfect, continuous form always has ing on the end of the verb. and this is for an ongoing action. So something that is continuing to happen in the present. An example, I have been living here for 2 years. So we've got I have been, live, ing, living, and I say 2 years, the emphasis is on the duration, and I'm still continuing to live here. So this is an ongoing action. Next we have past perfect. Past perfect is used for an action in the past before another action in the past. So we're going to see the word before a lot. The conjugation is had for all pronouns, plus your past participle, and the emphasis is on the event, not the duration. An example, she had eaten a lot of fast food before she started her diet. So she had eaten is our past participle in this tense. A lot of fast food before, so the action, eating a lot of fast food, before another action, which is starting her diet. And note that in the second phrase, we have the past simple started her diet for the second action. Okay, and our last tense we're going to go through in this video is the past perfect continuous. So again, the continuous form of this tense, we're going to see ing on the end of a verb. This time exactly the same, but the emphasis is on the duration. Our conjugation had again, but this time with been, and our verb takes ing on the end. So I give a similar example. She had been eating fast food for many years before she decided to change her ways. So this time she had, we have the been, and eating is in the continuous form with ing, and my emphasis is on that she was eating fast food for many years. So we must include a time, 2 years, many years, 3 months. We must include a time phrase in this tense. That is our emphasis. Again, before to signify an action before another action, and then our past simple. This time I used the past simple of the word decide, decided. So that is a quick summary of the 6 past tenses in the English language. I hope you found this